Chris with before and after. This was a recent improvement of a racking in the production. So he took an old shelf, cleaned it all off and put all the boxes on the wall. It's very flexible, great job. So I've added WD-40 right where he needs it, fantastic. Great job Alex with a 2-bin system on some larger products we manufacture. And Damien fixed what bugged him. He didn't like bending over to use the ashtray, so made us the floor standing one, fantastic. Marius cleaning deep inside the powder coat booth with before and after. That's the backs of the panels, looks great. And also a standard location for the textured black powder coat. And Mark labelling a home for the Kanban, exactly what we need. Everything needs to be standardised with a home, great job. Josh adding fixings required tab, and it goes in Trello on our production database, so you know it's got fixings, great job. Damien sanded and repowder coated the ladder to make it premium. Alex made some new standard locations on the racking, and also me and Alex done a before and after in powder coating, clearing away some crap that sat there way too long. So great job everyone, thank you very much.